guys, so today I have a Glossier video. This is going to be, it's not my first time putting on this brand. I'm sorry, I have it on autofocus, but it doesn't look like it's focused. There we go. Sorry. It's not my first time putting on this brand. I actually made like a first impressions video, but the file somehow, some way along the way got corrupted, and I just want to do this again, which I kind of did want to do because the first time I did it, it was like 10:30 at night, and I was going to just wash my face off automatically, which prompted me to not moisturize my face as well as I would before putting on any type of product on top of my face. So I just did this like small little thing of moisturizer and put it on, and I think it kind of had an effect on it. It still looked good, but I want to see how it looks like when my face is fully moisturized. I'm just going to turn this down just a little bit. Alright, so what I got was the Glossier foundation right here. This is in, what shade is this? Deep. So I'm just going, and when I first put this on, I rubbed it into my face. Now I'm just going to pat, because using this a little bit more, I haven't used the foundation since the first time I put it on, which was like probably just a week ago actually. So because I don't know, I'm not like kind of like a full coverage face type of person. Just gonna get a little closer so I can actually see what I'm doing. But I got it just to try it out, you know. And I am going on a trip to Paris next month in May, so I was thinking about you know, fancying it up a little bit for my skin, putting on some makeup. I don't know. So I'm just going to pat this all along my skin. And the first time I did this, it kind of made me look a little bit ashy. And like I said, I'm not sure if that was because I didn't moisturize correctly, or if it's because my shade isn't right, or whatever it can be. And again, I also rubbed it in, and then that prompted me to do like another layer of patting it in, and the patting seemed to just work a little bit better. So probably the 2-layer difference, you know, a lot of things could have factored into it. I'm going to zoom in. Pat this on my nose. It didn't get fully cover a lot, which it's not supposed to do. But it did cover, you know, a couple things, I can tell. Alright, so that's the foundation. I look glossy, I feel glossy. Next, we're going to be taking the matching concealer. This is in the same exact shade of, what was it, deep or beige? I can't remember which one I had. Deep? Yeah, deep 40, it says on the back. And with this, we're just going to try to cover just a little bit more of the cheeks. I don't like to cover every single last dark mark that I have, but I like to, you know, conceal a little bit. So this one right here, since it is a little bit darker, and sorry, the AC of course it just came on. You know, just fade them out a little bit. That's the word, fade, not really cover. And like I said, I didn't use the foundation since I got it. What I was doing was using only the concealer and my old foundation, which is a BH Cosmetics one in deep beige, and just mixing those two together. And that seemed to really work. And the reason why I wasn't using the foundation was, again, because I said it was a little bit ashy, but I'm sure that was just because I didn't moisturize it well enough, and I didn't really try it out after that, but now I think I just might continue to use just Glossier now because it looks pretty good. I'm only going to use my regular foundation to cover my hyperpigmentation on my upper lip because it is a lot darker and I need extra or better coverage to do that. Sorry, like my eye is watering. My eye always waters in the morning. I think I heard someone knocking on my door. Probably not. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and go like so, and I'm gonna take a brush. Be right back. Alright, I'm gonna take this little brush. It's actually a paint brush. I didn't want to waste money on a brush. I had a paintbrush since I go to art school. I don't paint. I'm a photographer. I wish I could paint, but I just can't. Or draw or anything like that. So I'm just going to, I tried but I can't. So I'm just going to just blend this out and then go like this with my finger to help blend it in more. And my lips are dry, so please excuse. And lastly but not leastly is the boy brow. If it will focus, I don't know if it will. I love this. Absolutely, because I like my eyebrows. I like the way they are, but I always fill them in with like a brown pencil. But now I just love this goodness on my eyebrow, and it looks more natural. Just a lot better because it just looks like there's hairs there instead of just you coloring them in. Oh, you guys can see boy brow, no boy brow. It looks kind of similar, but definitely this one is just darker than this one. So we're just going to fill this out again. Just go down. And I like to add length to my eyebrows. I don't know about you guys, but I just like to add length. I like to keep the shape, but oh, my eye is watering. I hate my eyes in the morning. Is it just water? But yeah. Okay, so that is the finished look. This is my full face of Glossier. Well, sort of, kind of. Full face of Glossier products. I love the way it looks now. It just looks very, very natural. I look glowy. I look even though I'm kind of not in the same way. But, you know, they just look a lot more faded than they were before, which is, you know, all I kind of care about. Like I said, I don't really care about covering every single last detail because this is my face, and you know, I'm trying to accept it as much as I can. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. My other video was like 14 minutes. Hopefully this is not as long as it was before, but if it is, I apologize. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give my video a thumbs up. Go look up past videos, see what you guys would like there, and I'll see you all next time.